Hi friends, this video shows how to forget a Bluetooth speaker. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go down, set remotes and accessories. Go down, here you can see connected Bluetooth speaker. Set it stone 352. Go down, here you can see the forget option. Set forget. Set yes.
Disconnected.
See, this way we can disconnect and forget a Bluetooth speaker. Later, if you want to reconnect, you can select this first option, pair remote or accessory. Now searching for speaker. On the right side you can see stone 352. That's the name of this speaker. Select it. Now it's pairing. Then select pair.
You're now connected to both stone.
Done. So this way we can forget, then reconnect. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.